Meaning of Hickstead.
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 Hickstead. Hickstead is a proper noun that refers to a small town located in West Sussex, England. The town is known for its rich equestrian history and is home to one of the premier show jumping events in the world, the Hickstead Derby. The event attracts top riders from around the globe, as well as thousands of spectators each year. In addition to the Hickstead Derby, the town hosts several other horse shows throughout the year and is a popular destination for those who love horses and equestrian sports.